Just wait for him to go.
He just does it by himself. Yeah.
What a beautiful mess. He has like 3 in his hand, but he won't put it in his mouth. Desmond, you better not be doing that if I'm at the grocery store. They're gonna think I'm farting.
It's so cute.
Don't let him tilt his head back. There you go. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. Okay.